Welcome back, everyone. We're done combining. We got combines put away, grain carts put away, but today we are going to finish up on some cleaning. So we're going to clean out the corn crib, this door here and that door there. The sides are full of last year's stuff, so we got the grain vac here that we are going to use to clean that out. Typically we do it in the spring or late summer, but we just didn't get around to it. We weren't going to refill it anyways. We were actually waiting for a rain out day during harvest. That didn't happen, so here we are, November 2nd, cleaning it out. So we'll go through that process here. Stay tuned. Look at this thing. This thing is old. Purrs like a kitten. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Jeez, look at that thing. Look at that chrome stack. She's nice. I'm gonna go get the earplugs and the masks. It's dusty and loud. It's alive. Millennial farmer does this thing where he snaps his fingers. I'm gonna try it. All right, where's the semi? Didn't work. I don't get it. One more. Huh, it worked. Up, ready to roll. All right, let's rock and roll. What, it wasn't good enough?
It's long.
Oh, it's fine. Then we don't have to change it. Huh?
I didn't know that one was so short.
I didn't do it right, so Dane's fixing it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Look, I'm back.
about 10 minutes in and I'm sweating and I can't breathe. It is loud over there. Got to wear ear protection and a mask. Now we're getting ready to jump in. Got to grab some gloves and shovels and we'll show you what that looks like. Not quite done yet. I got one semi loaded, so about 800 bushels or so. It is, what time is it? 7:13, so that took us around 2 hours to vac out about 800 bushels. So now we got to move some equipment around and then finish up tomorrow. It's supposed to rain possibly tonight, so we got to put all the equipment away in the Morton building. First item for business, the Ranger. show you Dane's antique collection. We got an M, a Super M, an H, another H, and another H. But wait, there's more. Another H. You would think Dane would figure out he doesn't need any more old tractors, but he's trying to build a museum. So someday you'll have to come over and see it, everybody. And the last item to move tonight. Got equipment put away. It's gonna rain. Potentially got 800 bushels on the semi. Take that to the elevator in the morning, and then probably vac out the rest of the crib another day. But for now, I'm gonna go get something to eat and turn on the World Series. Cheering for the Phillies, even though I don't like the Phillies, I like the Cardinals. But they beat the Cardinals, so you cheer for the next best team, or the team that beat yours. So go Phillies. Well, we'll see you next time for part 2.